want to show you how to create a beat in Cubase Elements real fast. So here I have an empty project, and I start with adding an audio track, call it melody, melody. And then I open this panel here, I press loops and samples. And then, for example, delicatessen. Let's filter on rap and hip hop. And let's see if I can find an interesting melody. Yeah, let's start with this one. That sounds nice. Tempo is 66.5. Oh, let's scooch it over and add this one first. So we have some progression in this. Yeah, and now I add an instrument track, add track. If I click this button here, edit the instrument, and I have to see urban, hip hop, R&B. Let's filter on that. Groove Agent 1, SE Kits, the beat agent. Let's see. Yeah, that's cool. And now I just drag and drop this onto my track. Maybe groove 2. And the break at the end. Let's listen to what we got. Let's double this one. Alright, well, it's a little messy, but you get the idea. Some samples and a beat. You create your first beat.